Hi there, welcome back to another brand new class. So in that class we just gonna learn it how to group any object. So you can you are drawing your design, so you have different multiple objects, so and how to group it. So it is really important for you, and how to ungroup this object. So group and ungroup thought, and then if you have your object, so how to reflect it in vertical and the horizontal. This is really important. So if you illustration one part, if you copy it and then reflect, so you can make the other side. So that's really important thought. And how to send any object in back, and how to take it any object in front. So this the thought. So let's do that. Okay, we just take a shape, rectangle tools right there, and then rotate it in a perfect shape. Then we just take ellipse tool, then we have this make it perfect sization like this, boom. So this making heart is really easy. You just take 3 shape and then you can make a heart easily. So in here we have these 3 shapes. So 1 2 3. So you see that this one, I'm just gonna color change, so it's really visible for you. 1, then 2, then 3. So 3 object. So when you just rotate it or move it, so it work like that. It touches the only one object. So how to group it? So you have to tie this all of the things, so make it group, and then you just select direct selection tool and select all the object, then click your right button on your mouse, then press the group, then group. So it's a group now. So you see that when you just move it, it's a really group thought. It's a now group. So if you want to rotate it, so it's a group. So this is the thought. This is the thought. Okay, then we have another common thing. So this is how you group and how you ungroup this or any kind of object like this. I'm just going to give you more sample. This 1 2 3, and this all are not group. So if you want to make it group, so select them all, then click the right button, then group. So it's all group now. If you want to ungroup it, then ungroup. So this is the simple thought. So now another thought, we have this shape and that shape. And just make it color. So you see that in here 1 object and 2 object. So this orange is behind the green, right? Green object. So if you want to make it the orange one in front of the green one, how to do that? So like this, you can just select the object you wanna make it front. So click the right button, then arrange. Again I told that click the object you want to select it, then click the right button, then arrange, bring to front. So this how you just take it any kind of shape in the kind of front. So that's the simple thought. And if you want to make it back, how to do that? Then select this and then arrange, then send to back. So again I told that. So select the object, press the click your right button on your mouse, then arrange, send to back. So this is really simple thought. So this is really simple thought. So I wish you learn how to send it in front and how to send it back like this how. And I'm just gonna show you another sample. we just for your visualization I just take this typography. So it's a really important help you to show you. So you see that this typography is straight out control. So in and how they do that. So first of all they just take a green layer, take a black layer in here, just make it black, then they just take a shape and make them white, and they just make it stroke color on and fill color off. So this how, and I told you how to increase the stroke size. This how you can increase the stroke size, increase your stroke size. So in here I just take another shape like this. So then I just color fill in the full fill in white. So you see that. Okay, then I just make it typography STIGST, and I show you how to make it typography on, and I just describe in next class how to make any font change, how to make your font style change, and next class I'm just gonna describe it. So please stay with me. So this is really helpful for you. So in here I just take this shape, take this typography, if you any mistake you can change it. Press Ctrl Z. If you press the Ctrl Z, it will be solved. So you can get your first previous design in back. And obviously I'm just next class I tell you how to change this font style. So for example I just choose it. So next class we just gonna describe it how to change it. So this here we have the font option, but next I'm just gonna describe it because it's really big thought. Choose it. This one is better. Straight. COM. So now you see that we have this green layer, we have this white layer in here. This is the white layer, and the text is in black mode, black text mode. So we have to just I'm gonna show you this white layer in back. This part is font. If you want to make your white part in front, so click right button, then front. It will be gone like that. So if you wanna change it, your option like text option in front of this white layer. So how to do that? Press Ctrl Y. This boom, everything gone. You just visualize every single part in here in vector mode. So again Ctrl Y, like that. Ctrl Y. I'm just gonna tell you Ctrl Y. So this all the thing is gone. All the thing is you just see all the vector mode you just made on your this board. So bring to front, then Control Y. Control Y, when you press the Control Y, is you get is back. Okay, right? So this is the thing, and this is it for now. So this how you just make any typography in here. So again, Control Y, remember that, and Control Y, CTRL, Control plus Y. So when you press the Control Y, so you just Control Y, just remember it. I'm just describe everything because you just got it perfectly. So this is a Control Y. So you get your vector mode activated. Then if you press Control Y back, so you will be this back again. So this is the thought, and this, and next, just move the next. So this how we have this one. So like it. So you see that this here, this object, and how to reflect it, right? How to reflect the any kind of object. So select group it, then you see that transform, just select all the object you want to choose, then click right button, then transform, reflect. You see that there's vertical option, this boom vertically, and if you want to reflect it, transform, reflect, and if you want to horizontally, you just horizontally. You see that this is the thought. You can reflect any kind of object. I'm just going to show you. So this one I'm just going to transform, reflect, this vertical mode, and this gun, boom. So this is how you just reflect your object vertically and horizontally. And that's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and see you next class. And next class is really important for you. Thank you. And thank you so much for watching this video until this end. Please subscribe, and thank you so much.